The eye is an amazing organ that works really hard to receive information to help us see. For us to see, our eyes need to be open so that light can enter through the pupil, which is the black hole in the middle of our eyes, and it lands on the retina at the back of our eyes. Now, you may notice that sometimes our pupils look like they have gotten bigger or smaller, and that's because they have. The coloured ring around the pupil is actually a muscle called the iris. Now, the iris controls the light which enters the eye by either opening or closing the pupil slightly, which creates a better focus. If it's too bright, the pupil closes a little bit to let in less light. If it's really dark, your pupil will widen to allow more light in. Then the retina uses rods and cones which changes light into electrical signals. And it's the optic nerve which takes these electrical signals from our eyes all the way to our brain.